Today's 2-minute tech tip is on linking Google Slides. So perhaps you might have a slide in one presentation that you want to add to another presentation, and that's very easy to do. You can just copy that slide. So I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to go over here, insert a new slide, maybe a blank one, and I'm going to then paste. So I've got this new slide in here. Now, if I want to link these slides, what will happen is if I make a change over here, then I will have the ability to update on this slide without having to redo it. So I'm going to say link these slides. So I'll put my head slide, or my headline as hello. And now you notice here it says update because it knows that there's been a change that's been made. So I click update. And there you go. You might use this if you have information on one slide that needs to go across different classes, but you have some information on other slides that is specific to that class, or even in a PLC, or lots of different ways. So I hope you find that useful, and I hope you have a great day.